Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making a rich and buttery chicken makhni karai. This dish is loaded with tender chicken, yogurt and a blend of aromatic spices, sure to delight anyone who tries it. So let's get started. To start, take 1 cup of finely chopped onions and place them in a cooking pot. Cook the onions on a low to medium flame until tender. Add 4 tablespoons of butter and mix until fully melted. Next, add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. While the onions are frying, if you have not already subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you will never miss any upcoming recipe. Now add 250 grams of whisk yogurt, and half tablespoon of green chili paste. You can adjust the quantity to your taste. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half tablespoon of red chili paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the spices thoroughly. Then add 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander and half teaspoon of garam masala. Then mix well to combine all the flavors. Remember to follow us on all our social media platforms listed below. Cover the pot and cook for 2-3 minutes until the oil separates. Then add 800 grams of chicken pieces and mix well until everything is well combined. Add 2 sliced green chilies. Cover the pot again and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken becomes tender. Once the chicken is tender, uncover the pot and sprinkle 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh coriander. Let the chicken makhni karai simmer on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes before serving. And that's it. The amazing chicken makhni karai is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your favorite bread. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and leave us a comment. Happy cooking and see you next time.